Thinking of building your own AI chatbot? Hold up, don't write a single line of code until you watch this. Because what you're about to learn in the next 2 minutes could save you months of effort, thousands of dollars, and a ton of regret. From banks to burger joints, everyone's got a chatbot. They are in customer support, e-commerce, healthcare, SaaS, but here's the thing, most of them suck. They're clunky, robotic, confusing. Why? Because too many businesses rush in, chasing the AI hype, without a clear strategy, proper training data, or user-centered design. And then, boom, a fancy chatbot that no one wants to talk to. Here's what smart businesses do instead. Start with a real use case, not just, let's add a bot. Map out user intent and conversation flows. Choose the right AI engine. LLM, fine-tuned model, or hybrid. Feed it structured, relevant training data, and constantly improve it with user feedback and performance metrics. Sounds like a lot. That's because it is. So, before you build your chatbot, ask yourself, is my use case even suitable for AI? Do I have enough quality data to train it? Will users actually enjoy chatting with it? If you're unsure, don't wing it. Talk to someone who's done it before. That's where teams like DigiMantra come in. We've helped startups and enterprises across the globe build AI chatbots that don't just work, they delight. From healthcare assistants that reduce wait times to e-commerce bots that double conversions, we bring deep AI expertise, real-world use cases, and human-centered design to every project. Building a smart AI chatbot is part tech, part psychology, and a whole lot of strategy. If you want to get it right the first time, let's build something your users will actually talk to.